A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, you have some people, we are bag and pan people. Anytime them are go anyway, one whole heap of bag and suitcase are dragged behind them, man. Whole heap of things. I wonder what would happen if them people they decide, so them just go walk with exactly what them need, if you do the job where them need to do, and trust God to provide everything where them need for the journey. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends them, especially the bag and pan one them. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, just go ahead, click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure say you no miss none of what I go on right here. So today me go read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 6 from verse 6 to verse 13. Then Jesus go round and teach in the district them. Him call him 12 apostle them and send them out two and give them the right for run out the wicked spirits. Him tell them say, when uno go which part me send uno, the only thing uno fi carry a uno walking tick. No bread, no bag, no money. Wear no slippers, but no carry no other clothes. And him tell them say, anytime uno go in a one house, Tande tell uno left the area. If uno go in a one area and the people them not take uno in or no one hear when have to say, shake the dust off of uno foot when uno are left. For warn them and for show them say God not happy with them and him go judge them. So then left and start to preach, say everybody fi turn away from their sin and turn to God. Them run out enough demon and anoint enough sick people with oil and make them get better. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.